Listen, I feel like I'm in Kenya now.
Jamaica! I love Jamaica. It has always been my dream to come to Jamaica and I love it.
You love it.
Wagwan.
Blessed, my general. Blessed. Come we go meet one of the great man as well too in Trenchtown.
Yes, I'm done.
Go on.
Chris, just like that. Thank you so much, Chris.
I'll call you to see where you guys are at in a couple hours.
Alright then.
Have fun. Yes, yes.
Bye.
I love how the way how you tickle my fancy. Shut me out. Keep me calm. Hold my hands to the stars.
Hey, run out a bit. Hey,
Run out a bit. I'm gonna start singing yet. First of all, I have to change all my looks. It might take 10 seconds, but I have to put on my run out a bit. Run out a bit, just look like this, no, I'm look like that, yeah. Run out a bit, yeah. Run out a bit, let's stop dressing yet. Run out a bit, I'm on a round cap. Run out a bit, don't look very black, yo. Run out a bit, yo. Run out a bit, see it, you're on a black cap.
Ding. Say hello. My name's Dream. Say hello. My name is Dream. My name is Dream.
Never give up, Mwanga. That's me. Never give up. Because if enough somebody in the position with me in a probably they would have.
You're so strong because the way you're speaking, talking, like I can't even know. Like
real.
wow.
I just look like nothing not do me. But as I tell you, God love me.
yeah, God loves you.
Yes, and as I tell you, Kino can tell you, from the fix up around here, boy, I tell you, I think about him in my sleep, when me him and the extended family them in my sleep, if me I eat, and then every Kino and the extended family them, I love them.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a let them like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love to all. You know, Dream Team one team. From here the voice. I'm hear the voice, you see the face, you know, Kino life in Jamaica. So now we have a guest. We have a special guest rolling in today. We have a special guest, Dima Wanga. Welcome, General. All is well? Yeah. Cool, man. Yeah. Alright, so we have a guest rolling through today, all the way from Kenya. She's here in Jamaica. You know, we have to bless her up and big her up and welcome, you know, to Trenchtown. It's Dima Wanga, you know, Dima Wanga from Kenya. You know, she's here. She's on her way here today, so we're going to welcome her in Trenchtown for the first time. Dima Wanga. I hope I get the name right, you know. Dima Wanga. Dima Wanga. Yeah, so you know, by the end of the day we get it. Hopefully we get it already. So yeah man, so we have a guest here all the way from Kenya. You know, so it's a pleasure meeting her, you know. So she's on her way, you know, she and Chris passing through. So you know, it's Dima Wanga. Yeah, but I'm saying hopefully I get it right, you know. So she's on her way. I know you're gonna see her soon. So blessed love, Dima Wanga is coming through. Blessed. So this is Chris driver himself.
Rocky the man.
Rocky in person himself. So you say Chris is coming up the road with Dima Wanga. Yeah. So me get the name right, right?
Yeah.
Yeah man, I've been struggling to get the name. So I guess she's coming up the road up there.
To the roots.
The road, man. Yeah. So I'm glad. Well, I'm glad she's here.
Yeah.
You know, and Chris there, you know, with her see me because Chris said I'm gonna head down them and town. You know, so I give him a link down there, says a good look. Boom! So Chris are going to walk about. So Chris there here, you know, Christmas list. Christmas list is here with Dima, Wanga, you know, rolling up, rolling in and everything. Yeah, see my man there. Over there. Come over there. Manners, general, manners. Hey!
Yes,
Chris
the connection.
and Dima Wanga. Welcome.
How you doing?
I'm good, man.
I've heard so much about you.
Yeah.
I've been speaking
My
highly.
brother Chris is
sir.
here, must list.
Yes, yes,
You
my
know?
friend.
Nice to meet you.
Yes.
Finally.
Finally.
I watch all the videos then.
You watched all the videos?
All the
No,
videos.
you're lying.
I watch them.
Really?
Yeah, I watch most
Thank
of
you
them.
so much, Kino.
Especially yesterday. When the lady say, "Why is your face so smooth?"
You're right, you watched.
You know, she's like, your face so smooth, you know. So hopefully I get the name right. It's Dima Wanga, right? Dima Wango.
Yeah, so guys, I'm here with Kino, and if you're watching for the first time, you don't know who Kino is, please subscribe to his channel.
Yeah.
He's an amazing guy. The reputation I have about you.
Yeah, you guys are gonna have too much fun
Huge.
today. I'm a little
Yeah.
jealous.
Yeah.
I'm going to a new territory. I don't know nobody, and you guys are gonna be having fun over here.
Yeah.
So
And
please
got-
subscribe.
Yeah.
And also subscribe to her channel, you know,
Thank you so
Dima
much,
Wanga.
Kino.
You know, you need to
Yeah.
support her and watch her. Yeah, she's a
Thank
lot of
you.
fun, just like Chris.
Yes.
Yes.
Must
Tag
list
team.
our brother. You
Yeah.
see me? We're doing it together. You know, YouTubers coming together, sharing the love, right?
And
Unite.
things happen.
All the way from
Yeah,
Kenya.
Kenya.
Listen, I feel like I'm in Kenya
Finally,
now.
Jamaica. I love Jamaica. It has always been my dream to come to Jamaica, and I
Yeah.
love it.
You love it.
Wagwan.
Blessed, my general. Blessed. Come we go meet one of the great man as well too in
Okay.
Trenchtown.
Guys, I'm done.
You go on?
Chris, just like that. Thank you so much, Chris.
I'll call you and see where you guys are at in a couple hours.
All right
Well,
then.
have fun. Yes,
Bye.
yes.
Yeah. So heading that way or that way?
I don't even know. So where's the police station? Then I'm town.
Oh, that way.
That way. So that's right.
Yeah. So the taxi gonna bring you, right?
He's here, yeah.
Okay. You call the number that I gave to you?
Not yet, but when I'm down there, I'll
All right.
Start me up,
Wow.
keep me calm, hold my hand to the storm. Start me up, keep me calm, hold my hand to the storm. Say me love you, me love you, me love you, me baby. Baby, you got me going so crazy. I love and I love and I love your body. I love all the way how you tickle my fancy. Start me out, keep me calm, hold my hands to the stars. Start me out, keep me calm, hold my hands to the stars.
Wow. Little bit.
Yes, man. So as M says, called New View, right? Wholesale. So you know them have everything here. Cause you also used to have a whole chicken farm here as well too.
still on there.
Still down there. The community chicken farm where they can come and support, you know, and buy chicken and everything.
Wow, amazing.
So it's a nice vibe. Them keep the Olix here on a Thursday as well too. It's a nice vibe, you know. They can walk and I can show
So
you the rest.
guys, Kino is showing me around here in Trenchtown. It's a beautiful place. I love the art, the
Yeah.
people, the artists. They already sang,
Yeah.
and it's incredible.
I know we're trying to help each and everyone in the
Yes,
community.
yes.
You know, cause we do projects so we help out the less fortunate. You know, we have
Yes.
projects that we're gonna do and start as well too. So if anything we can give a helping hand pan.
We'll truly appreciate it.
Yeah.
And my guys, I know you're really good at this. So now that I'm in Jamaica, actually I came to live in Jamaica. Like I'm not living.
Not leave, don't leave, don't leave. Tell her don't leave. Tell her don't
I'm
leave.
not leaving,
I know my
sir.
mom is a big fan of you as well, Kino.
really?
Yeah, she's like, say hi to her. When
I can't wait to meet her.
You know,
Definitely.
she's in the UK.
Oh,
so
she's in the UK,
yeah.
but someday I'll still go to the UK.
I'm gonna do a video call so you can say hi to her because
I'm so
she's gonna be so
honored.
amazed. Like,
Oh,
she's here
nice.
in my community. You know, her name
I'm
is,
here. Hello.
Her name is Michelle.
Hello, Michelle. I'm really humbled to hear you're one of my top fans.
Yeah.
And I'm here with Kino and I'm loving it.
Yeah, because
Thank you so
you
much.
and our brother, you know, inspire her as well to want to go to Kenya, you know.
Thank you. You're welcome to Kenya. Just the same way I came to Jamaica, you're welcome to Kenya. Yes.
Yeah, man. So with the great man. So as I said, I'm have a found business for the community as well, to chicken farm, where, you know, the community can come out and support, you know. So chicken down there.
Thank you so much. Let me check around.
Alright, so he's going for the key.
Oh, it's going for the key. Oh.
See, look at who I just jumped the gully. Chicken down there. That gully is not
Before
close.
we forget, can we take a picture somewhere here?
Yeah, yeah.
Because we get carried away with the vlog, then it
And they forgot the thumbnail.
Even the picture on my
Yeah.
Instagram is
Yeah, true,
good.
true. Mommy.
Hello! I thought Kino was just gassing me up. He was like, my mom is your fan. He was like, Kino, you lying. Say hello to him. I thought Kino was just joking. Kino, honestly, I thought you were joking. I was like, really?
When I told her you were coming, look, she can't stop laughing. Michelle.
Yeah.
She go what, China, Philippines,
Exactly.
Everywhere.
Today I'm here with Kino. Today
Yeah.
I'm here right in Trench Town with Kino.
yes.
Mwah. Thank you so much. I appreciate your love, your
Like, Mommy want to
support.
take a plane right now. Mommy, I take the plane right now. Book your ticket and come. Book the flight and come.
You leave the camera son to Kenya.
You should
Definitely.
come. No, but I'm not leaving soon. I'm here to stay actually. I'm not leaving anytime soon. No plans.
So she don't want to leave. Yeah, bring her on the river trip. Yeah, cause we're gonna do a river
Definitely.
trip. Definitely will take her.
Thank you. I love you too. I feel so honored. I can't believe it. Honestly, I thought Kino was just joking. You know, when you meet people and they say, "Oh, my mom, this, I watch your video." Sometimes it's not even true. So I was like, "Are you serious?" But now I believe it.
So this husband just left, and the husband is a big fan as well. Them always
Say
watch.
hello to him. But I'm still with Kino any day, anytime. You can call me and
Yeah. Alright.
Look after yourself, Kino. Look after her, please.
You know that already.
Yeah.
If you want to stay, let you stay. If you want to stay,
Yeah, of course.
after her.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
If she want to stay, she will stay.
Kino.
Yeah.
See you, Kino.
Yeah, we can give her a walk by in Sea View as well. Sea View Garden. Yeah, you finished? You finished?
See you, okay?
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you. One love.
Alright, darling.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Oh, I feel so good. Kino, I thought you were joking.
No,
So it's so true.
It's true. You see,
Wow, man.
I'm not laughing.
I have no words to express how I feel. I feel so happy. I don't know, like everywhere I walk, even in downtown Kingston, I find so many of our subscribers there.
Yeah,
and I'm
I've seen a woman say, "Oh, watch your program,"
Yeah,
and she's like,
and so many
wow.
of them even don't want to be on camera, but I meet them one-on-one and I'm like, wow.
Yeah.
But honestly, I know our Jamaican fans are the best. My
Yeah.
strongest support comes from Jamaica. I know that. So
I know why.
thank you so much.
You know what I like about you the mostly? I like when she laugh. She's got this energy when she laugh. You know, she makes me laugh as well too. Dini Dread.
I don't know, but I find it easy. Like, you know, when you laugh, it's good vibrations to your surrounding and anything, and nothing
Yeah.
bad can happen to you. So to
Yeah.
me, it's more of therapy.
Yeah.
And I always try to be with people who make me laugh even more because I don't want to be sad.
No.
Yeah.
You have to, Dini, come and walk down, you know. Down at the Falco. after, you know. So she's eating the meringue, trying out the meringue,
just
you know.
trying it out.
It's a thing when I always eat like 3 of them a day. You know, it's very good for you health-wise, you know. Billion, clean as well to give you energy. Whenever I'm gonna play football,
You eat this?
yeah.
You play football as well?
Yes, I'm telling them the
Not
secret.
basketball.
No. So I just eat like 3 of them and go run on the field. And I never stop running.
Oh.
You know, 'cause I give you energy as well too. For who don't believe, trust me, it does work. You know. But how you like Trenchtown so far?
To me, it's giving me a different vibe. Because if you mention out there, I was in Trenchtown, everybody will be, what? You are in Trenchtown? Everybody will not believe it, really. Because just going downtown Kingston, I'm like, I'm going there alone, and they're like, what? You going there alone? No, don't go. So if I'm like, yeah, I went to Trenchtown, it's one of my favorite places. I met amazing people there. They'll be like, wow. And this is the spirit. I like it. You know, what Kino is doing is amazing, you know. And the media out there portrays Jamaica to be really different, but I'm getting a different vibe.
Yeah.
The media tells us in Jamaica, like when I came to Jamaica, I thought I could see people running, kids crying, like looting, boom, everywhere, fire everywhere.
Yeah.
Everything is burning, and I was like, what?
Yeah.
You know?
Cause them put a lot of fear in her as well, too, young. Be careful, you're going to them places. Don't go down there, don't go downtown. Put your bag in front of you. Don't win a jewelry.
It's good to be cautious because also in my country, still every country we have the 2 sides. There's nowhere that is perfect. Also in Kenya, the same story. But it's now when they exaggerate it, you know, like they only carry the bad part and show it to the world. But these things happen everywhere, even in the States, even in Kenya, it happens. You know, so for me, I'm loving it. It's a thrilling experience, and I'm just loving it.
Of course.
Thank you, Kino.
Yeah, man, and Alton, the man with the talent, man. Man with the richest talent, you know. We need to make him rich financially, you know.
Yeah.
So we'll probably see it on, we're gonna see it on B Mawanga's channel, you know, the great work with this man been doing, you know. This man can make anything out of metal. This man can make a black machine, you know, make stoves, make everything.
Let's support him. Let's support all these talents. I know we can do this, you know.
And you know, we have Van Ross, a really talented artist as well too. Now we see him face, because it's not the first time see him on the program same way. You know, but I tell you, quite surprising. All this time I know this man, I never know this man so talented. Anything out of metal at all. You know, anything at all, man. And
Holy for things, no make already. Holy for things.
holy for things. And just the exposure.
Yeah, it's just the exposure. Selling your talent outside to the world, you know?
Yeah, because we like we're locked in, you know. And it's a good thing we have the social media, you know, where it can help us, you know.
Yeah, the world is huge. We also have good people out there. We have amazing good people. Friends, strangers are just friends we haven't met yet. So the social media helps us to connect. Like for me now, I'm here because of social media. If it wasn't for that, I couldn't be here today.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
So you see, you start from somewhere, you know, social media. It's a big exposure. You know, because right now, I love for you, somebody call and say, Kino, make one stove for me, you know, or,
Yes.
You don't want to meringue?
No, I'm just make sure you eat one a while ago, you know. Yeah, you can carry back some, you know.
Yeah,
going
I can
to Kenya.
carry back.
Very good.
I'm not going back to Kenya.
You can look it
anymore.
up on
So she's not going back for now.
Look it up. You can look up on the thing and you see
Google.
Yes.
how powerful it is.
It's got a lot of health benefit. You know, type it in on
Look
Google.
up with a few seed in America and England and sell it for a bag of money.
Yeah, them sell it in the UK and them place, you know. When I was there, I was buying it literally like you buy like 6.
Establish it here.
This. You buy 6 of this in a one little bag for like £6.
Wow.
You know, in the UK, just 6 in it only.
Wow. But since you all have it here, it can be good business for the community. You grow the trees even more.
Yeah.
And you know.
But you know, it's just to get the buyer to come here to buy it. You know, so true.
A lot of trees around here, so the people don't know about it now. You know?
Yeah. So there's so much, but you know, them always go to feed them source.
And this is the best.
Yeah. This is the best, the tropical west. You know, the best. You know, it's nothing
You
but
know, it's
green.
crazy. I had never seen it like growing like this. I see it in the market, people selling, but like this, live growing,
Yeah, never. Well, welcome to Trenchtown.
Thank
You know,
you.
you see it for the first time
In Kenya, you do
Trenchtown.
this, they'll come and carry you, whole of you, plus the farm and everything to the police station.
But it's
Yeah.
good now. It's legalized now in
Yeah,
Jamaica.
and it's good for the health. You know, everything is good, but when you take it too much, it's now when it becomes a problem. But
Yeah.
everything is good.
Yeah,
Even food, if you eat too much, it harms you. It's no more food anymore.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we have Dima Wanga. You
Yes.
know, I've been practicing that name. Hopefully, I'm saying it right.
Ed, I give it the name Jacuzzi.
Yeah.
Why jacuzzi?
Because I guess that now, before around here become a cottage, we had lay down for like for one piece of sponge. And oh my gosh, could I slip? And since they fix up this cottage here, whenever time I lie on this bed, in seconds I'm out. So that's why I give the name Jacuzzi. Even when I meet some people who watch Kino program at the airport, the first thing they greet me with, hey Colors, when we come to Trenchtown, we come in the jacuzzi bed, you know? Yes, man.
The jacuzzi.
Never give up, Moanga. That's me, never give up. Because if enough somebody in the position with me in a, probably they would have
You're so strong because the way
Yeah,
you're speaking,
I tell
talking, like I can't
man.
even know. Like,
real.
Wow.
I just look like nothing not do me, but as I tell you, God love me.
yeah, God loves you.
Yes, and as I tell you, see, Kino can tell you, from the fix up around here, boy, may I tell him, I think about him in my sleep, when him and the extended family them in my sleep, if I eat, and then every Kino and the extended family them, I love them.
Nice.
Moanga, because if you did ever see around here,
Yeah, it was
when
really-
it before it turned cottage, you wouldn't even want to come out the doorway.
Did I cry? Seriously?
Yeah,
It was
it
so
looked very
bad.
horrible.
So bad.
Yes.
But now it's beautiful. It's nice.
Tell you,
You know,
man.
God bless you. Wow.
Yeah, tell you,
It looks a
man.
beautiful place.
It
So
is,
that is why Kino love me so much, and the extended
him keep
family
it up,
them,
you know. After
Yeah,
him get
man.
this done, him never bring it down. Him continue to keep on.
We have a lovely sheets. We have all kind of sheet in Moanga. Yeah,
Yeah.
man. All different kind of sheet we have, man.
And as a man, him always hustling. Him go to the airport. You know, that's where him always is hustling. Like whenever
Like when
anyone.
the passenger came out the flight Moanga and they come outside, me help them with their luggage and they give me a little money. I'm not even supposed to do it in Moanga, but that took Moanga money. Because like when we lift up the suitcases and put in the vehicle, it kind of hurt my back, you know. But to Moanga money, I have to just, you get what I'm saying? And Moanga, me is not a person like would I sit down and say, yo Kino, you know say, it's like,
That's the spirit.
yeah, big make the donors them send so no, I go there Moanga. See a sick person, that's why the donors them they love me so much. And even Kino. Yeah. Me not go watch and say, Kino come video me, you know. Me beg the donors them send me. No man. I go here. More time people see me at the airport, you know, came off flight and they were saying, damn.
Colors.
You was on the flight. I said, no. They were saying, damn, what an outfit. And,
Yeah, my always
you know?
look.
Yeah, colors.
yeah, we have socks too for match everything.
And see my van is necklace.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
this is what the, like passengers who came out of the flight, they gave me like, you know, so see me have a cup.
Nice. Nice to meet you, Kino. Like your story is so touchy. And guys, let's do something for Kino. Not for Kino, for colors. You know, through Kino you can get into contact.
Yeah.
And let's help one another. If you can do this, please, let's do it. Let's do it, Kino. Personally, I'm so touched the fact that you still go to the airport, carry the luggage.
Okay, could I show you a couple of pictures in the phone?
Sure.
Okay. This is in here, me the big girl video me inside here, you know? Okay. These are some
nice.
girls I met at the airport.
Nice.
Yeah. Damn, this is a DJ girl named The Angel. Yeah, that's me and her. That everybody love me in the Moanga.
Wow, I love your outfit. It's so beautiful. You're so stylish.
Take a look at this one with the stars.
Wow.
Yes, man.
Pure colors.
Yeah, man. All these people, they are from London.
Wow.
Yeah, they gave me money to in the Moanga. Yes, then when I'm at the airport and they fly in and they saw me, they say, yo, colors, So this gentleman, Moanga, and this is his wife. They are from London, Kino.
Okay.
They gave me money and they told me they're gonna send me money to look about my visa.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're from London. Yes, man, see the outfit them there, Moanga.
Your outfit is great. I love your outfit.
Yes, man.
Man, it's color. You said cool?
Oh, it's cool already. Oh.
Yes,
We never get any straw.
Yeah, man, she go and drink one.
Okay, thank you.
You want to drink it same way?
Oh, I can get a straw. It can be easy to.
Yeah.
We get a straw. So
Okay, thank
Esther never have no straw. She said.
I get them here.
Oh.
Say it.
See our next outfit here.
Esther.
Hey, your outfits are mad.
That
See,
be-
oh, I love this.
Oh.
Wow.
Do one straw. You should drink the jelly water.
This is interesting, Carlos.
Say one straw,
Wow.
Esther, please.
I want to try and catch up with your swag. I like it.
Alright, you see this gentleman, Kina. Hello, Mother Teresa, how you doing? We have a lovely guest here, you know.
Yeah, I met her already.
Her name is Miss Moanga. She likes everything about in here, you know.
The Louis Vuitton brand, Chanel, Gucci.
Ask him where you get the accent from. Ask him where you get that accent from.
You want me to tell her?
Yeah, tell me.
Cause she wanna know why you speak like.
Yeah, before that, they used to like chop pop. Like, hey, Miss Moanga, you know, Kino, what go on, bro? So like me the airport for years, and I always see the passengers them come in and hear the twanging. So I would say, damn, I would like to speak like them, you know. I'm a practice it. Yeah, even more time at the airport, people will watch me on East Brook and they were saying, Colors, you used to live in the state, bro.
Yeah.
I said, no, you know.
Just from the street.
Yeah,
Then you can also make it, man.
Yeah.
Imagine Bob Marley came from this environment. He's the superstar that he still is, you know? Wow. And it's good they still maintain the look, like the original look.
Yeah.
No renovation, no nothing. Like the original look, you know?
Them look again.
We're from checking out the backyard.
Yeah, Bob Marley Street.
Yeah.
You know. There. Okay, sorry. All is well.
Jesus love me.
Blessed love. Yeah, blessed love. Run out of bread. So when our next artist is as well. He's one of the recipients on the program as well too. We help out as well too.
Nice to meet you.
His name is Run Out of Bread.
Run out of bread.
Yeah. Her name is D Mwanga from Kenya.
Yeah. Yeah.
Love
I love
Africa.
Jamaica too, that's why I'm here.
This is for all Africans.
Yeah.
We all are one.
Yeah. So you say you have a song for her?
Yeah, man.
Sing one for her, no man.
No matter how you say we look, we all are African. Africa we come from the away born land. This
Yeah.
a come straight from Run Out of Bread.
Hey.
I build something, so don't fret.
Hey.
All African, we all are one. Where we come from Africa, chase your ancestors. We are from Africa. Africa, we might be black,
Yeah.
but sometimes white. We don't really matter. They look all the time, but we are African. We
Yeah.
all are one. Big up Miss Kenya.
Hey.
D Mwanga.
D Mwanga from outer Kenya. That's Africa, our born land.
Yeah.
This is Run Out of Bread. Wow.
Wow, what fun.
I'm kind of Josie on some medication about 4 days now. I'm a Bellevue patient. I want to tell you the truth. I'm not really myself right now, but it's good for me.
Yeah. It's good for you.
Nice. You're all talented. Everybody feels talented.
I actually this is not serious coming from top of my head.
Yeah.
Was one that I build every day. Can you video too?
Yeah, video. So I'm going to give you one bill. Yeah.
Them just can't stop see my face. Can't get me out of the race. Even though I am a disgrace. My obligation
In other place.
And I say you can't hurt me.
Bang, bang, bang.
And I say you can't jerk me.
Bam, bam, bam.
Make sure say you kill me.
Bam, bam, bam.
None of you never build me.
Bam, bam, bam.
The Almighty don't give me.
Bam, bam, bam.
For me life, so me live it.
Bam, bam, bam.
To the best of my ability.
Bam, bam,
Respect
bam.
everyone in the community.
Bam, bam, bam.
Don't talk about me and thief Aki.
Bam, bam, bam.
Then you run come choppy.
Bam, bam,
You
bam.
know me, I'm a spanny.
Bam, bam, bam.
I will murder anybody.
Bam, bam,
Shot
bam.
me, you bomb me, bomb me.
Bam, bam, bam.
Make me reach one family.
Bam, bam, bam.
JP side, check up bitchy.
Bam, bam, bam.
Cause none of them make it.
Bam, bam, bam.
First time I saw your face, I know you are well intriguing. First time I saw your face, this Kenya girl is I'm liking.
Yeah.
I like eyebrow, I like your teeth, I like everything about you, baby.
Hey, the lyrics are so hard. You build that from your mind right now?
Yeah, right.
Wow.
Oh man.
This is interesting.
Yeah. Except for you see her, you like her.
I like her hairstyle, I like everything about you.
Hey, you
Yeah.
like my hairstyle?
I'm not really myself though, so please. One last thing. I should have started. All kind of Lord Father, Jehovah God is up in the heaven. Please, I'm asking for health, strength, and protection, not just for me, but for everyone in the entire universe. You know, for your Son and Savior Jesus Christ. Amen. Should bless you.
Thank you.
Run
All
out of
lovers,
breath.
our extended family. What am I talking about? What am I pre-born? Kino!
Run out of breath. Run out of breath. Hey,
Run out of breath, I'm in a start sing it.
Run out of breath. Hey, run out of breath. Hey.
Run out of breath, I'm in a start sing it. First of all, I have to change how my looks. It might take 10 seconds, but I have to put on my run out of breath cap. Run out of breath just look like this, now I'm look like that, yeah. Run out of breath, yeah. Run out of breath, run out of breath, let's stop dressing yet. Run out of breath, I'm on a round cap. Run out of breath, don't that look very black, yo. Run out of breath, yo. Run out of breath, see it, you're on a black, yo. Look how run out of breath.
Oh, the real look of ran out of bread. Oh, nice.
That's
Hey, welcome. Nice
it.
to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you.
One love.
Yeah.
Wow, you have some
Check
amazing
out, so
talent.
check out
Yeah.
Demo Wango,
On
you know,
YouTube,
and
guys.
YouTube. Go and subscribe,
Subscribe.
you know.
And also, if you're watching from Team D, you know how we do it. Subscribe,
Yeah.
subscribe to Kino.
Yeah,
You know?
and you know you're watching from Kino Life in Jamaica, so just go and subscribe, you know,
Thank
follow
you.
our movements, you know.
Thank you.
Great content, you know. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. You know, when you go there, say Kino sent me. Because I know when you come, you're gonna say, oh, Dima Wanga sent me.
Yeah.
So you're
Let's
more
do
than
this,
welcome.
guys. Please watch and subscribe. Okay? One
Just
love.
one love. So come on, we're gonna walk over Boys Town.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
I will be walking too.
Go over Boys Town.
We just
I will be walking.
Oh, my walk.
okay.
We're gonna walk out there.
Zimonga
Yeah.
from Boya.
Thank you. Mwah. I like it. The small little things, guys.
Yeah.
Really matter.
Small things that counts.
Yeah.
Oh, put in the ear side.
Oh, somewhere. Okay.
Someone did for her.
Fix it for her then.
Okay, fix it for me. Who gave me? Okay. There we go.
Oh, I get to touch it. Delicate here. Whoa.
Delicate here. Yeah, just like you.
Kenya.
Whoa.
From Kenya.
Right away. That's never falls out.
Never falls out.
That's good.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Alright then. I will walk over here to cross the bridge. Now we're gonna cross the bridge. Dream Team one team, you know, it's the only real team. These are some footballers from Boys Town as well too. Great Callie Smith. You see this
Yes.
this person here, Callie Smith.
This bread now.
This is where they made this road name Callie Smith Drive. Right here named Callie Smith Drive from him. So I have Sherlock, then built a school off him as well too. Same place over here, Boys Town. Bread.
She was the great one from Boys Town principal, you know. It's bread now. Yeah, man, alongside Father Sherlock, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, from 19. The man responsible for the cricket still, you know. The man
We're national anthem.
Yeah, he wrote the national anthem for Jamaica. Father Sherlock.
Eternal Father,
Yes,
bless your land.
Yeah.
Guide us through thy mighty hand. Father Sherlock, teach us.
He made the national anthem
yeah,
of
man.
Jamaica
1940.
to 1956. Legend.
Great.
Boys
issue.
Town. From them time the Boys Town bill, man. You see, from 1940.
Phone there,
Boys Town, man. Spread now was a principal for the school. The basic part and big part.
Dim. Say hello. My name's Dream. Say hello. My name is Dream. My name is Dream. Miss Fiver. I said Miss 5-0. Yeah. The family said Miss 5-0. Are you belong to? I wonder if I want lingerie. Look how me I talk out what it is. It looks like a lingerie from Miss 5-0. It's from Nadine and Mr. Richards.
Thank you.
Yes. Well, you have to go know. And you know if I eat, you have to go wait till 5 come again. What? You hear that? So we give thanks to Nadine and Mr. Richards. This one Roxanne. Dream. So baby, are you bring them come?
Yeah.
So baby flying with some things for baby Dream. And it's from Roxanne, right?
Yeah. Roxanne so big up all of the Dream team. With a special big up to Boom.
Oh.
Yeah.
Boom. So why you crying? One time too. So we have some things here for baby Dream from Roxanne and also Kyla as well too. So and Zaire, come here so.
Zaire.
So Kyla not there so this is for Kyla. That
From
Roxanne and where next one there?
Big one.
Zaire. Oh, Sita. From Roxanne.
Roxanne, thank you very much, and I hope your food basket never empty, and I hope the Lord can continue to guide and keep you and your family members. Thank you very much.
And we have one here for Zaire. What else? Zaire. And look at the camera and tell Roxanne, thank you.
Thank you, Auntie Roxanne.
Talk louder, because you can't talk louder.
Thank you, Auntie Roxanne.
Alright, and yeah, save another one again. So say thank you.
Thank you.
Auntie Roxanne. Talk up now, cause you can talk.
Thank you, Auntie Roxanne.
Alright. And we have Dream. Dream.
Say thank you, Auntie Roxanne. Say thank you, Auntie Roxanne.
Say thank you.
Say thank you. Say thank you. Thank you. Say thank you. Look at the phone and say thank you.
Say thank you.
Okay.
She say it, but it's not loud.
Yeah. Say thank you.
Say thank you. So give thanks to Roxanne. I will have something for Shennet.
And we have for Leila and Kiosha.
Leila and Kiosha.
Yeah, so I collect for Leila and Kiosha. Thank you very much, Roxanne. May your food basket never empty. And may the good Lord continue to bless you.
Alright then, so.
Come on, come.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.